Alright guys, so today for primer, I'm just going to go in with my e.l.f. Oil Control Liquid Lotion. I focused it mainly on my T-zone, and then I just spread whatever was left out to the remainder of my face. Now that we're primed, I'm going in with my Colourpop Pretty Fresh Tinted Moisturizer. I am in the shade Dark 20N, and I'm going to blend that out with my e.l.f. face sponge. Once that's done blending, I'm going to go with my Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer in Tan. I have dark circles, as you can probably see, and then also the Colourpop No Filter Concealer in Deep Golden 60, just to add a little bit more coverage and highlight. Now you know, once we blend, we need to go in and set immediately so we don't crease. So I'm setting my under eyes with my Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder in 360 medium deep, and then I'm going to go through and set my face with the pressed powder in 360 mocha. Big girl. You gotta go sit down for mommy?
Oh.
Big boy.
Okay. Mommy. It's okay.
It's okay. You gonna sit down for mommy?
Oh.
You poo-poo? You okay? Yeah. Now to finish off the look, we're going in with lips, and this is my NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner in 22 Downtown Beauty, and I'm going to go with the glossy lip today. So I just used my e.l.f. X Alyssa Ashley lip gloss in Nude Rose, and I paired that with my Essence Shine 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 gloss in 07 Happiness in a Bottle. And then to set the face, I just used a BH Cosmetics Studio Pro Makeup Setting Spray. And yeah, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, share, and comment, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Okay, don't touch it.